Cardinals wide receiver Marvin Harrison Jr. underwent surgery for appendicitis and will be out for at least week 11. Let's break this down. Here's what we're looking at. This small finger-like pouch hanging off the lower end of the cecum. That's the appendix. It sits in the right lower quadrant where the small intestines meet the large. Most of the time, it's harmless, lined with lymphoid tissue that helps with gut immunity and bacterial balance. But when that narrow tube gets blocked, it can trigger a dangerous chain reaction. The appendiceal lumen can clog from a fecalith or lymphoid swelling in younger patients. When this occurs, pressure builds, blood flow drops, the wall can become ischemic without oxygen, and inflammation ramps up fast. If untreated, bacteria may break through, and in severe cases, the tissue can rupture, spreading infection into the peritoneal cavity, a serious complication that can cause sepsis or shock. Pain usually starts as a dull ache near the belly button, around the T10 region, and shifts sharply to the right lower quadrant, but depending on its orientation, pain can show up in the flank, back, pelvis, and even the left lower quadrant. In children and older adults, symptoms can be subtle, with mild tenderness, low fever, delayed pain, making early recognition vital in this race against pressure and time. Treatment is a minimally invasive laparoscopic appendectomy, which uses small incisions and a camera to remove the inflamed appendix, resulting in less pain and faster recovery than an open surgery. NFL data shows for uncomplicated cases, the average is around 14 to 22 days to resume activity, and typically you'll have pain-free core motion at around 3 to 4 weeks. Now, if it were to be perforated or abscessed, in other words, complicated cases, can take 4 to 6 weeks. For context, Joe Burrow had a similar situation, and he returned to practice around 19 days post-surgery, and Minkah Fitzpatrick also had a similar situation in 2022, and he was back on the field about 1 week after the appendectomy. Wishing Marvin Harrison Jr. a safe and speedy recovery.